So Sales Sonar, what is this tool about? What is it going to do for me? You can actually create customized reports of what matters most to you. And we've built this beautiful, simple wizard to use. And so I'm going to call this report, I'll just name it Sherwin Williams. And here it types it out so you can see at every step of the way exactly what we're building. And so I can create this report. So it's a Sherwin-Williams report, and I want it just for sample request. So whenever someone at Sherwin-Williams requests a sample, that's what I want to know about in my report. Or I could say also when someone asks for sales assistance or technical assistance, and if they view particular products of ours. And I want to schedule this report. I want to receive this report daily or twice a month or maybe on my office day. Maybe I have my office day on Fridays. So I'll select that. And then I'll go ahead and define my report. So the first step is to choose your territory. Well, here you see that we've already set up 2 territories, so we can actually select that. Okay, I'll save this territory. I'll go down to the next step, which is to choose business types. So we're developing this report, we're creating it, we're customizing it, and so really I'm more interested in coatings manufacturers, so I'll just select manufacturer of formulated products, particularly Sherwin-Williams. I'll save this business type, and any time that I want to go back, I can simply select this button and it'll take me back there. All right, so I've got my territory, which is the Midwest territory, and I've chosen my business type, which is formulated product manufacturers, paint companies. And this list is a list of all the companies associated with the paint industry in the region that we specified. In the states that we have a flag, that means we have all those activity in those states, and also just those companies that occur in that polygon. So I'll simply move down here to Sherwin-Williams, and I'll select Sherwin-Williams, and I'll select also their automotive group. So we chose accounts, we save it, and so we've got Sherwin-Williams Automotive and Sherwin-Williams Company, but there's different locations. So now in our polygon, all those locations that come up, the polygon that we drew, all the locations now come up and are displayed. So then if we want to select all these locations, we just leave it blank, and by default they're all included. Or we can say, I'm just interested in this particular one, the Green Technology Center, or the one on Warrensville. So I'll just say, yeah, I'm interested in all. I save the account locations, and yep. So the first part I did was on account definition. That's the territory that I created. Any activity that happens in Sherwin-Williams locations in those states or in that territory that I've selected and drew with the polygon tool is then captured. And now, as a sales admin at Dow UCAR, I can then specify, yes, this is just for paint and coatings, and now I can choose my product groups, whether it's the Biocides group or the Angus group or the Dow UCAR group, and then I save my product groups, and I can select specific products. And if I want all these products, I just leave it blank. But if I want a specific product, maybe we're running a new campaign, and I want to report for just on that new product that we're running, I can select that. So I'll just save all products, and boom, we're done. So we've just created a report for a specific territory, customized for just Sherwin-Williams accounts, and this report will come to us via email every Friday. It's that simple. In addition to reports, what we can also do is create alerts. So you can make reports out of anything. You can make reports out of specific accounts, you can make reports on specific products, or specific territories and geographies. Alerts are immediate. If you want real-time information on your strategic or potential accounts, you'll want to create alerts. Let me show you how easy it is to do so. Here we can select a delivery method. So we can choose to receive this alert via email. Some of you today received reminder messages via text message or SMS. And we also have an archive where you can, if you have a reader, an RSS reader, you can create an archive and then check these latest activity via the RSS reader that you might have. And the important thing to note is that our platform is based on XML delivery. So if you want to take these reports or this information and port it into your CRM solutions, this system was designed from the ground up to do just that. Okay, so let's select SMS mobile texting. And I will select the territory. So I have this Midwest Coding Sales territory that we've created a polygon in addition to some states, and that polygon was surrounding Sherwin-Williams. And what I can do here is I can select the territory, and if not, I can go ahead and put in account Sherwin-Williams, and it'll give all the Sherwin-Williams locations. So I can go here and select a particular location that I'm interested in. What I'll do is I'll just simply leave it at Midwest, and I can put an alert on a particular type of product as well. I don't have to. I can just leave it here, send me a text message whenever anyone in the Midwest territory views a document. But what now I'm going to do is select UCAR, and I'm going to select the UCAR LaTeX 6030. And I want to be alerted when someone requests a sample. So I select that. But what's more important than being alerted when they select that sample is I want to be reminded, say in 3 weeks, so that I get a small reminder that says, hey, you should follow up on that request to see how the evaluation went. Make sure that the product got in the salt spray cabin or the extended weather testing. So I'll select 3 weeks, I'll click on Save, and there's my alert. So let me show you how this plays out. I'm going to switch roles for a moment. Now I was just a sales admin at Dow UCAR. Now I'm going to switch roles. And now I'm Joanne Perry over at Sherwin-Williams, and I'm searching in the Chemodex library. And so I already know what I want. I want the UCAR LaTeX 6030, and I'm going to request a sample of this product. I put it in my sample cart, and what I want is a standard size sample. I want 1 to 20 tons. That's the volume potential of this particular product. It's for an interior architectural application. And this is for a new formulation development. We already have an existing product. It's my decision-making time frame is less than 3 months. I am the decision maker. And please have a sales rep call me. So that's our information. And I can also put a note which is please include MSDS. So I'm ready to request a sample. So what I'd like to do is if we can bring up the picture. So say this is our cell phone. And so I, as Joanne Perry over at Sherwin-Williams, will hit submit. And I've added a counter. So all of a sudden now I've changed roles. I'm back as a UCAR sales rep. And I'm going about what I do during the day. And I'm calling on accounts, I'm driving around, I'm stopping at Starbucks for a coffee and some notes, some reports. And what will happen is I just do the things I need to do, and up will come, via text message, our alert. And so no longer will we have to print out reports and take those reports with us, because sales leads were like a to-do. It was an additional item that I had to add to my Franklin planner. And here, in under a minute, I now know that Joe Perry at Sherwin-Williams just requested a sample, and the volume potential is between 1 ton and 20 tons. Now, it's about pure information flow, about what matters most, to whom it matters. This system, Sales Sonar, this revolutionary tool, allows you to set up filters so that you can start to take advantage of that gold mine that we've created. Sales leads are a relic of the past. From now on, it's about pure information flow for what matters most in real time.